Hi guys, welcome to Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Now I was hoping to get out for another walk this week, but unfortunately last week after my walk I managed to put my back out. I'll give you a laugh. I was actually doing the washing up at the time, stood at the sink and my back just locked up. So it's been giving us grief all week. So I've made the decision this week to not go for a walk. I don't want to get myself into any bother while I'm out for a walk and have to call the emergency services. So what I've decided to do is take myself away for a walk, just 5 minutes up the road from where I live, head into some woodland and give you a look at my new meth burning stove. So while we're there, we're going to cook some bacon butties and possibly have a brew as well. Let's go. Right guys, I've found myself a wee spot, so nice and level on the ground, so I'll get myself set up and then I'll show you my new meths burner. Right guys, so both stoves that I've got with me today are Lixada. You'll have seen me use this one a couple of times now. Very simple, push the legs down, spin them out, and that provides your support for putting your pan or whatever on. Lift the top off, fill it full of meths, and you're away. 2 or 3 things I don't particularly like about this one. It is a little rickety. And this top doesn't screw on, so you can't keep any meths that's left over inside the stove, and also it burns a lot of meths very quickly. Still going to be great for use around camp, say for example at my permission, but when I'm going out on the fells I wanted something that was going to be a bit more appropriate. So this one inside the bag weighs 207 grams. Now my new one, again Lixada, this one weighs 152 grams. You've got the top there, so you can control, you can have it full chat for boiling water, and then you can close it up just if you wanted to put something on simmer. You've got the top there that seals, you've got a rubber seal inside, so any mess that's left over, you can just simply seal it up and take it with you. The stand that comes with it for cooking on pans and stuff like we're going to be doing today, you just simply sit it in like that. And if your water boiling containers not wide enough to sit on them, you simply put it inside there, turn it upside down, and you can boil your water. So we'll get it filled up with some mess and we'll get the bacon butties on, I think. We'll fill her right up, so I will let it burn out just as a test to see how long she'll burn for with a full tank. So it's exactly 6 minutes past 1 on my watch. So here we go. Yeah, she is lit. So we'll just let that get up to temperature and then we'll get the bacon on. Right, she is starting to bloom quite nicely now. So before we go any further, I just want to say that this is obviously a copy of the Trangia one. I forget what it is. I think it's the Trangia Mini. I'll pop it on the screen. But I think if I remember rightly, the Trangia one is roughly about £30, and I paid, I think it was £14.50 for this one. And I think at the time when I bought this one, it was about £8 or £9. So, you know, it offers good value for money as long as she performs right. So we'll get that pan on, get that warmed up, and then we'll get some bacon on and have some bacon butties. So she's warming up nicely now. So here we go. No sizzle. Maybe I haven't left it long enough. But I'm getting hungry. We are starting to get there a little bit now. We're sizzling a bit. First time using this wee mess burning stove, so I don't think I left the pan for long enough to heat up first. But we're going well now. I'm looking forward to these. Right guys, that's the first one ready. It did take a little bit longer than I expected. That's one done.
Hey, hang on, don't give me all bacon there, lad.
And then we should get a bit of a sizzle with the next lot going in. It should sound a bit better. Oh, there we go. That's better. Right, I'll bring you back when that second one's done. Oh, right guys, that second lot of bacon sure did cook a lot quicker, so I definitely put it on the stove too soon. I didn't let it heat up anywhere near enough. So I was going to wait, but I ended up having my first butty. I was absolutely starving, so here we go with the second one. Oh yes. Cracker. Now while I'm here, that is still burning. It is getting down, but it's still on the first lot of fuel that I put in. So I'm going to let that burn while I have my butty, and then we can see how long it burns for. Oh, perfect. Lush. Right, I'm going to get myself away and enjoy this. I'll bring you back just as that fuel's about to run out. Right guys, that is just about to go out. right on the very last dregs now. The wind has picked up a little bit, so I hope you can hear us all right after last week. But right now it is bang on 12:15. Now I can't remember what time it started, so I shall flash it up on the screen. But it's certainly over an hour. So for the first test out in the field with this little mess burning stove, I'm very impressed with that, and I'm looking forward to getting out properly when we're allowed, and seeing how I get on with it while I'm out camping. Any second now she's gonna go. And that's it, out. 16 minutes past 12. So like I say, I'll flash the full time up on the screen and let you know exactly what that is. Right guys, just while I'm here before I set off back home, I would highly recommend getting one of these Trangia fuel bottles. This top screws down tight so nothing leaks out, and you can unscrew it and it's a press button, and as you saw at the start of the video, it's really easy to put into the burner, and you're not going to spill any, and obviously a lot safer in your backpack. So time to get myself away home. Thank you very much for clicking on today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. I don't do many review videos. I'd much rather be out walking or camping, but with the situation being the way it is, and especially with my back, I just wasn't up for going even for a walk today. So yeah, time to get myself away home. So once again, stay safe, much love from a Cumbrian lad.